She waited a while, but heard nothing else. No whistles, no howls, no squeals, and no bells. A beaver was singing, and so was a rat, but the sound Terry heard was sweeter than that. To Terry, nothing seemed out of the ordinary. "Must be the wind," said the toad, and got back on the road. In no time at all, she was singing once more. Then she heard someone quietly snore. It wasn't the ocean or hovering birds. It was the sound of unusual words. Weep, weep, waff, waff, beep, beep, pop, pop. Weep, weep, waff, waff, beep, beep, pop, pop. Terry stopped and got out to explore, but the sounds also stopped like before. She waited and opened the windows and doors. No whistles, squeals, howls, or bells, and no snores. A big fluffy bear was dodging the bees, but Terry heard nothing except for the breeze.